Hello and welcome to another video. My name remains Ihuoma Linda Arewodo. I share tips and tricks on how to help you make income and impact on the online space doing the things that you love. And in this video, I want to show you how to create a sales page for your product or services. Perhaps you are a coach, a digital marketer, an influencer, or you sell digital product or services on the online space, and you want to create you can't afford to have a website. You want to create a sales page to help you convert your visitors to customers. That is what I'm going to be sharing with you in this video very briefly, how you can create a sales page to host your product, your digital product, and direct your traffic to and convert them to customers immediately without paying any money. All right, so like I said, my name is Ihuoma Linda Arewodo. I make a new video every week, so make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that, and also click on the bell icon so you get notified whenever I drop a new video. So you might be wondering, what exactly is a sales page? A sales page is a website page where you can direct your traffic, you can direct your target audiences to, with one specific aim of converting them from visitors to customers, to paying customers, to buyers. So if you have a digital product, your sales page is where you host the digital product, is where you have all the details about your digital product, and then when you direct your audiences there, they get to purchase that product on that sales page. So the benefit of your sales page is to help you sell your product and your services. There are about 5 elements that makes a good sales page. The first one is that your sales page needs to have a headline, a punchy and catchy headline to draw them in. It has to have a copy which incorporates the pain point of where you describe the pain points or the problems of your audience and how you hope to solve it. Then the next thing is that your sales page should include the description of your product, whatever it is. Is it a book? Is it a course? Is it a physical product? Your sales page should be able to describe it. And the next thing is that your sales page should have a testimonial. Testimonials and reviews from people who have used, from clients or students who have used your product or your services. It should also have a segment that addresses frequently asked questions, that addresses their objections, and also lets them know who that product is for. And then lastly, your sales page should have a call to action, a link that directs them either to a payment portal so that they can purchase a product, or a link that tells them what exactly they should do, whether to watch a video or some other action for them to take. So like I said, I'm going to be showing you how you can create for free a sales page to host your products and be able to sell your product to your customers immediately. So we're going to go to Chrome. I use a platform that is called Cardco, CARRD.co. So you click on it to open up, and then it brings you to the interface. As you can see, this is Cardco on my smartphone. It says the simple, free, fully responsive one-page site for pretty much anything. You can use it for a landing page to collect the contact or the email addresses of your ideal audience. You can also use it to deliver a lead magnet. All right, you can also use it as a one-page website, or as a landing page, or as a sales page to sell your product. Okay, so once you come here, if you're new to this platform, you make sure you sign up by creating an account. I already have an account. I have a free account. I'm not using the pro account. I'm using the free account. And because I am using the free account, I only have access to create to use 3 templates, to create 3 either landing pages or sales pages or website here, so I can't create more than 3. But if you decide to use the Pro, you have limitless opportunities. Okay, so let me go to my dashboard. After you're done creating your account, as you can see, I have 2 sites that I have created here. So we are going to create a brand new one right about now. So I click on the plus sign. I click on the plus sign. Now it's going to bring a lot of blank canvases, templates, a lot of templates here. So you just choose depending on what it is you want to sell. What exactly do you want to sell? What exactly do you want to showcase? How is your product or your service? So you go through them and be mindful of these ones that have Pro on them. If you're on a free account, make sure you don't use the one on Pro, or you won't be able to download it and to get the link. So make sure you use one that is very free. As you can see, this is also used, someone has used this as a website. All right, so you can do almost everything and anything here. So just choose the template that makes the most sense to you. Which one are we going to use? Okay, let's choose one. I think I should take this. I think I like the look of this black. Okay, let's take this. It's completely free. Let's use this template to create a sales page right about now. And then one other thing, before you start creating a sales page, you must have created your sales letter. By sales letter, I mean your copy. The copy that you are going to use, the body of your copy that you're going to use to sell to your ideal customer. All right, where you have itemized the benefit of your product, the name of your product. You have explained you have a catchy headline. You have explained the benefit that they get. You have explained and described your product. You have also described the pain product and how you hope to solve it. So write it down somewhere so you don't have to spend much time. So let's just go directly and start creating our sales page. So you click on everything that you're going to use here. I'm going to use this. Let me go to where I have my sales letter and copy it. This is my sales letter, the sales letter for my 6-figure book launch. So I copy this. I want this to be my headline. It's going to be my headline. So I impute it here. It says very bold statement. Your headline needs to be catchy, punchy, and very bold. So after you're done, I click done. Is it okay? I think the size is too big, so I will reduce it a little bit. I think this is okay. Let me see how it looks. It's still a bit big. All right, so all right, I think it's better now. It's better now. Okay, it's better now. It says proof. Now you too can make 6 figures from your book launch, and it's a lot easier than you think. So I'm taking this out. I don't need this, so I delete it. All right, now what else do I need? Let me look at my sales letter. I need another text field. I need another text field after that. So I need to create another text field. What do? I look for a smaller text field. Okay, let me use this. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag this up to where I want it to be. I want it to be beneath this description, beneath the headline. Okay, so I click on it. Click on the capital letter, delete everything here. All right, I delete everything there and I impute my text. Okay, and I click on done to see what I've written. If you've ever wanted to make 6 figures at your book launch, then you're going to want to read every word of this letter. The spacing is too much, so I want to reduce the spacing. Let me look for, in case you want to change anything, this is where you change stuff. So this is the spacing I reduce the spacing a bit. The spacing is too much. The letter spacing, let me see how it looks. The letter spacing, it's okay. Let's see if we can change the font. Let's see if we can change the font. It's Sora. Let's see if we can change the font pattern. Oh, okay, I think pattern is okay. All right, pattern is okay. It's good to go. So what else do we need? Now, the body of our text. Dear author, if you're like a lot of authors, blah, 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 blah. So where will it stop? Okay, I think it should stop right about here. So I will copy everything here. The beautiful thing about sales letters is that sales pages is that you can just be creative with your fonts. Okay, make sure that the key points that you want to portray are highlighted so they look different. You can play around with a lot of things. You can play around with colors, with fonts, with sizes, and all that. So what else do I want? Okay, I want to use this font size. So I'm going to shift it up. I'm going to shift it beneath that to use it as the body of my text. Okay, I want to use it at the body of my text. I click on it. Click on it to edit. I'm fixing the body of my text. Fixing the body of my text. And then I click on done. Click on done. Let's see how it looks. But it's not different from this, right? So I want it to look a little bit different. Or perhaps I should change this. Let me change this. Let me change that. That's what I should change. What other color can I use to go with black? I can change the weight. Okay, I've changed the weight of this. I want to make this I want to change this the line spacing, reduce the line spacing a bit. Okay, I think I've got that. What about this? I want to make it a bit bolder. Okay, so I think we got what we want here. Now, in case you want to change colors, you want to change anything, feel free. Now let's click on the background and see what we can change. If we want to change the background, we can change the background to whatever it is we want it to be. You want your background to be red. Voila, you can make it red. Okay, but it's not beautiful red. I don't like the red color. If you want the background to be bluish or yellowish, can get that done. Is it good? Let's see. No, it doesn't look good. So let's go back to our black. Let's go back to our black. All right, I think black is okay. All right, black is okay. Or you can change it to white or whatever it is you want to do. So this is the body of the text right now. So what else do we need? Let me see my sales letter. We have a lot of other content here, so I don't want to waste our time going through the content. Let me just show you the features that we have on this thing. All right, so we'll click on this plus sign so you see all the features. All right, so in case you want to add you want to add a product, okay, you want to add a product now, you want to add a product image, you click on the product image and you upload from your device. Let's look for the product. Where is it? Okay, this is the product. So you click on it and it gets uploaded. All right, you crop it, then you click on yes, you click on done, and it's uploaded. Now where do you want it to be? As you can see, where it is not where we want it to be, so I'll drag it to where I want it to be. Where do I want it to be? Keep dragging. Okay, I think it should come here. I think I want it here beneath this, but before this I need to have this up here because I want to introduce my text. I want to introduce my course. Where is it? Okay, no, I want it down here. I want it here. Where is it? Okay, no, stop going up, come back here. Okay, why does it keep going up? Okay, let me use this to introduce my course. Excuse me. All right, voila. So now I'm going to use this to introduce the course. So I click on this and I say introducing the 6-figure book launch course. Okay, done. Producing the 6-figure book launch course. I want to change the color, so let me change the color to red. Change the color to red. Click on yes. No. Oh, the size is too much. The line spacing is too much. And the color was red. Red, yeah. Let's see how it looks like. Okay, so here it is, but it's still too big. You can just get creative. Keep changing, keep alternating until you get what you want. So I think this is okay. Introducing the 6-figure book launch. So this is introducing the 6-figure book launch, and after that you get this. All right, you get this. So this is done. All right, this is the book. And then what else? So whatever feature that's here that you don't want, feel free to delete. Okay, in case you don't want any of the features here, feel free to delete. For example, if you don't want this, you can delete it. If you don't want this, you can delete it. Okay, anything you don't want. I think I'm going to use this later for a link because it's a button. All right, so if you don't want anything you don't want, feel free to delete. So let's keep creating. Let's see all the other features that we have here. In case you want to add a video, for example, you want to share with them a lead magnet, that is a video that you want to direct them to. So you click on video. We're going to embed a video on YouTube. There are two ways of adding a video. You either upload or embed. I prefer to embed. All right, so let me go get my YouTube video. Let me go get a YouTube video that I made. Let me get the link to my YouTube video and embed it right there. Okay, this is a video, so I'm going to embed it here right now in this space. So I embed the link and I click on done. All right, so the video is showing right here, but this is not where I want it to be. As you can see, it's at the bottom, so I lift it up to the particular place wherever it is that I want it to be. Maybe it's a testimonial from a client or whatever, blah blah blah. Wherever I want it to be, I fix it in there. So let's just keep it there for the meantime. So what next? Okay, you can say something like here is a video to help you, blah 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 blah. Here is a video to help you create your content plan. Done. Let's change the color of the font too and make it red. Okay. Is it good? It's okay. It's okay. Let's change it. I don't like that color. Okay, I think this is better. I don't like the font too. I think this is okay. So just try your hands at anything until you get what you want. Now, perhaps I want to itemize. I want to list the benefits of my course. So remember that when you're creating a sales letter, itemize the benefits. Make sure they are itemized one after the other. Either they are numbered or itemized. So maybe I want to use this to create the benefit. Let me get content. Maybe if this is my benefit, this is the benefit of my course, and I want to itemize it. So I copy it. All right, I copy it and I come here. Click on. All right, now I'm going to click on a new block and add list. Okay, I add list. You see what I've just done? I add list. So this is a list, and I edit whatever it is that I have here. Then input my own text. Once I'm done, okay, now voila, you can see everything has been itemized. Okay, so it's easy for your readers to browse through it and get whatever it is that they want to get, the benefits of the course. Okay, now you can now shift it to where you want it to be, just like you've done every other thing. That we've been doing here. Okay, you shift it. All right, it's where it wants to be. Okay, let's change this to here is what you get when you buy the course. Here is what you get from the 6-figure book launch course. Okay. All right, so maybe you want to add a testimonial. Now you want to add a testimonial. You can say, let's change this to don't take my word for it. See what my students are saying about the 6-figure book launch course. Okay, and you click go. Don't take my word for it. See what my students are saying about the 6-figure book launch course. You want to use this place, this gallery, to show your review. So you go to your gallery on your device and you add the review. Do I have a review here? I'm trying to get a review, a client review. Wow, my phone is not loading up. Okay, let me just get something, anything that we can use in the place of a review, right? So we don't keep wasting our time. Images, screenshots. Let's use something. Look for something, anything. Okay, let's just use this. Perhaps this is our review. Okay, now you crop it and get the information that you want. You click on yes. Okay, and it's done. If you want to add another one, you click on this plus sign to add either an image or a gallery. You can add gallery. Okay, you can use gallery for more than one. All right, so add more than one. Let's just keep adding. You upload. Perhaps this is what you want to upload. You upload it there. For example, I'm just saying this is an example of what you want to upload. You click and you have it there. All right, so that's how you just keep adding until you have everything that you want where you want them. So where were we? So you place it where you want it to be. Okay, this is where we want it to be and it's where we want it, right? So that's okay. So what's the next thing? Let's look at something else that we can add. You want to add an audio, feel free to. You want to add, okay, you want to add icons. For example, you want to add icons. Okay, this is an email. This is an email. All you need to do is to add it up. All right, you have an email. You put the email URL. You can put the email URL in case you have a URL. What are we going to use as the URL? No, I think we should get something to use as the URL. You get the URL, that's the link, and you impute it there. Okay, so whatever you want it to have as the name, you can impute it here. So perhaps you want to say and it's done. Okay, so as you can see, we have an email, an envelope showing an email, but it's already here anyway, so we don't need that. We can delete it. You can delete this because this template already has that. Okay, but in case you are using a template that doesn't have any of these social media icons, all you need to do is to click on any icon that you want and use it. All right, so let's go further. What else can we add? We can add a button. Let's add a button. Or should we use the old button that's here? There's a button here. Let's use this one. But in case you don't have a button, you can use this button. All you need to do is to click on this button and you will have your own button added up. Okay, you see it. This button has been added up. So let me show you how to change it. What's the title? What name are you going to give to your button? What's the label? You're going to say buy now. Okay, and where do you want them to go to? You want to direct them to a payment place. Let's say you want to direct them to your seller account where they can purchase the book. So let me get my seller account. Hold on a bit. All right. So I'm getting this, copy it, and I paste it here. Oh, sorry. I paste it here, and voila, that's the seller link. Okay. Now let's see how it looks. Buy now, but let's make it a little bit bigger. I don't like the way it looks. Let's change it a little bit, the appearance. You can change anything you want, the color, the appearance, the size, everything. Feel free to change anything that you want to change here. Okay, font. Let's increase the font a little bit. Okay, so it's better now. You see it? All right, so you can shift it anywhere you want it to be, to just like every other thing we've been doing. All right, you can place it here. Buy now. So once they click on it, they are taken to that particular portal where they can purchase it. All right, so what else do we need to fix? Yeah, timer. We need a timer. In case you want to fix a timer, let's fix a timer. See what a timer does for you. A timer starts, you can use a timer in case you want to create scarcity. All right, you want to host a pre-sale, or you want to do a discount, and you want to fix a time bound bonus or something like that. All right, something that is going to be available within the time frame. So maybe it's for 3 days, or for 5 days, or for 24 hours. You can say this course or this book is going to only be available on pre-sale at this price for the next 14 days. So you set your timer from the day that you are creating that what's it called, that sales page, or from the day you want to send it out to the day you want it to last. Okay, so let's say we want it to start from July. Okay, let's say we want it to start from July 1st. We set it from July 1st 2022. Okay, that's when we want it to start. All right, so that's when we want it to end. We want it to start from today and end on July 1st. So I think that's okay. We click on done. So as you can see, the timer is here, which means we have a few. Don't worry, the timer will start reading once it's on. So we can shift our timer where we also want it to be. Okay, so where is it? Shift our timer where we want it to be. Okay, so actually we've done almost everything. So I think we can feel free to delete every other thing that we don't need. And one good thing about this is that you are free to add things that are not in any of the templates. Okay, feel free to add. If there's something that you want that is not available, feel free to add it up. And please, when you're creating a sales page, make sure that you have a call to action like 2 or 3 times. All right, your buy button should appear like 2 or 3 times. It shouldn't be once. Okay, if it appears in the middle, it should also appear at the end before your contact or your social media handles. All right, so make sure you have it like twice before every other thing, at the middle and at the end. Okay, so they can always go back to it and purchase or click on it to be directed to the portal. So this is how you create a sales page. Like I said, you can change anything that you want. You want to change the colors, feel free to change. Even the background, if you want to use a picture as a background, feel free to use a picture as a background. So once you are done, what you do next is to click on this 3 slash. All right, you click on the 3/ and you publish it. So what is the title? You call it 6-figure book launch course. Description: how to launch your book to 6 figures in less than 30 days. All right, so that's a description, and then you fix a name for it. 6-figure book launch. 6-figure book launch. Let's see if it's available. It's available. 6-figure book launch. If it's not available, it will tell you that it's not available. All right, so you can keep trying a name until you find one that's available. 6-figure book launch. All right, so it's available. We click on publish, and then we click on publish. All right, unfinished element. Okay, let me see, what is the unfinished element? What is the unfinished element? Okay, yeah. All right, so we are good to go. We are good to go. Yeah, so it's loading up. It's loading up. It's publishing our website. 14%, 16. It's a bit slow because of the network. So basically, this is how you can create a landing page or a sales page to sell your product. So let's copy it first and foremost. Copy the link and then view our site. Let's view our site, how it looks like. Voila, so this is our site right now. Proof. Now you too can make 6 figures from your book launch and blah 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 blah. So the person can keep scrolling and keep reading. Wow, this is the course. And I forgot to mention something. You can also add the link of your sales page, the link of your product, or your payment portal to your product image. Okay, so you see, voila, this is just what I wanted to show you. Now you can see the video we added. Once you click on it, it plays. The purpose of every business is to make profit. Plays. So if you have a video, you can embed your video. This is awesome, isn't it? This is awesome. So as you see, the timer is now reading. Buy now. Let's click on this buy now to see where it will take us to. See, it's taking us to the 6-figure book launch course and payment portal on Seller. So everything is done automatically. You can add links to any of these social media handles. All right, any one of them. You can add your Instagram link on this Instagram icon, add your email link to the email icon, add your Twitter link, add your TikTok link, your Facebook group link, anything. Feel free to do everything and anything. So I showed you how to get the link, right? So you get the link and you paste it somewhere so that anyone that sees it can be directed to it. So this is how the link will look, and then when you click on it, it takes people to your site. This is how your site is going to look. Wow, you see how it looks? How it looks beautiful. Remember, you can always, oh wow, this is awesome. Awesome page. Wow, you see it? You see it. So this is how to create a one-page website or a sales page to sell your digital product or services. I will see you in the next video. Bye.